With inflation numbers coming in recently and coming in pretty hot, I thought this would be a perfect time to bring up this chart, which shows some pretty interesting things about inflation. So having a look at the chart, we can see the white line on the top is the headline inflation number, and then it breaks it down by section so we can see what makes up that headline number. So having a look at the chart, you see the blue bars on the bottom is the services inflation. And as you can see, that started off pretty low, but now that makes up most of the inflation. Now you can see energy in orange and commodities in light blue were adding a lot to the inflation number last year. But with energy and commodities falling these past 6 months, we can see their contribution to inflation has been getting consistently smaller. But that is where the big risk comes in. Recently, we've been seeing financial conditions loosen. And one of the things that happen when financial conditions loosen is energy and commodities will start to rally again. If we were to get a return of energy inflation and commodity inflation on top of that already gigantic service inflation number, you can very easily see how our CPI or inflation numbers would flare back up and become huge again. Now that could be caused by more supply shocks from war or simply the loosening of financial conditions, or maybe it won't occur, but that is a big risk that exists in the markets right now. And that would cause the wild scenario of the Federal Reserve having to raise rates even higher than they are right now. That would definitely crush the economy and lead the stock market to another leg down.